Hi everyone, how are you? So today's topic is noun. What is a noun? Let's start. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. Let's see some examples. Seema is a good girl. Here, Seema is a person. So, Seema is a noun. Seema is a person. He lives in India. India is a place. So, India is a noun. We get wool from sheep. Sheep is an animal. So, this is a noun. The book is on the table. Here, the table is thing. So, this is noun. Honesty is the best policy. This is an idea. There are many types of noun. Let's see common noun and proper noun. What is the difference? Common noun is non-specific people, place, thing, and proper noun. A proper noun is the name of particular person, animal, place, or thing. This is the difference. Let's see some examples. Like boy, book, chair, city, river, etc. These are common noun. Let's see some proper noun. Rahul, Delhi, Himalayas, Ganga, tiger, etc. So you can see the difference. Boy, common noun. Rahul, name of person, is a proper noun. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you